Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to review a new broker. Although it's new, but it's backed by a very strong group, a very strong brand, which is called the Fivers, a prop firm, one of the pioneers in the industry. And this is really great services just being introduced. Since we are starting reviewing a broker, what we do is we always go to the regulation to see if the broker is regulated or not. So this TSG broker is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Scroll down to the footer, and in the footer you always see the regulations of a broker. So here you can read out it's regulated in Cyprus, and you can also see which of the countries that are not allowed to open account. Mostly, as of now, the broker is allowing European residents to open an account, but later on they are planning to get some other regulations that would allow the worldwide traders to sign up. So, okay, getting started with the review. As their header states, high standards, low cost, and it really is. Let me tell you why. Here you see from one account, one platform, you can trade 5 different markets, whether it's crypto, forex, indices, commodities, or stocks, and more than 300 assets it has. So you can check out the demo and see how the trading conditions are, or you can simply start trading directly with the broker. Scrolling down, let's see what type of platforms they offer. They offer MetaTrader 5, which is the world's most popular trading platform as of now. Also, they have their own proprietary platform that is called TSG Trade. And whether you are a Windows user, Mac user, or Android, or iOS, you will find these two platforms in all the devices. Okay, moving ahead, basically you get ratio leverage 1:30, and the crypto commission is 0.12%. Breaking down their account types, their basic account starts with €100, and as compared to the kind of standards they provide, €100 is a really minimal account to try out. You can sign up with this amount and just try out. If you feel satisfied, you can move to bigger deposits. So the spread starts from the 0.3 pips, and there are no commissions in this account. Similarly, but if you want much tighter spreads, move to the bigger deposit size, like for example standard account has 0.2, and similarly if you want zero spreads, and then you can go for ECN, which starts from €15,000. However, if you want something really great, for example spread starts from 0 and there is no commission as well, in this case you have to start with €25,000. And if you want further good conditions like professional account, it starts with €50,000. So it's basically a structure that gives you a good start with a very minimal amount, and as you feel comfortable, you can increase your deposits and start trading. Okay. Coming up to their deposit and withdrawal, you can check in the trading menu, deposit and withdrawal. Okay, as of now, since the broker is available for the European residents, there are 4 different payment methods available. It's DECTA, Novi, wire transfer, and wire transfer with the Bank of Cyprus. Eurobank and Bank of Cyprus, these two are available for bank wire transfers. For withdrawals, obviously, what your deposit method is, always your withdrawal method. So that's the same. They do not charge any fee on your deposit. It's only that the intermediaries, bodies like banks or other entities could charge some nominal fee for your deposit or withdrawal. So I hope you like the review. It's very short, and if you really like the video and the broker, I'll give you a link in the description for you to sign up with this broker. Thanks for watching.